When every brake press counts, the right brake rotors make all the difference. DuraGo brake rotors deliver the confidence and consistency drivers need on every trip. From the moment you unpack them, their non-directional swirl finish stands out, no machining needed before installation. That saves valuable time whether you're a professional mechanic or a hands-on DIYer. This precision finish also means smooth, quiet braking right from the first mile. What really sets DuraGo apart is their attention to detail. Each rotor features a hub-hole chamfer engineered for a true hub-centric fit. That reduces vibration and promotes even braking, so you get dependable performance every time you hit the pedal. These rotors are cast to high metallurgical standards, ensuring strength and consistent quality that hold up under real-world driving conditions. Plus, their multiple vane designs efficiently push hot air out while pulling cooler air in, helping your brakes stay cool and reliable whether you're commuting, cruising on the highway, or tackling steep downhill drives. With over 45 years in the aftermarket automotive industry, DuraGo has earned a solid reputation for accuracy and reliability. Their brake drum and rotor lineup is trusted by professionals thanks to precise fitment, extensive catalog coverage, and quick availability for new vehicle models. Made in ISO-certified factories, these rotors meet strict standards for fit, form, and function. That means you get peace of mind with every installation, knowing your brakes will perform as expected. Customers consistently praise DuraGo rotors for minimal run-out straight from the box and smooth braking even after thousands of miles. Whether your daily drive includes steep hills or city traffic, these rotors are built to deliver reliable stopping power you can trust. If you're considering an upgrade or replacement, it's worth a look. Try them when you're ready and experience the difference for yourself. If that's you, someone who demands quality and consistency in braking, check the product link in the video description to learn more and make your purchase today. Your vehicle deserves rotors that perform every mile, every stop. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and automotive product insights.